Well, here we are, prepping for Hurricane Ian. The winds are starting to pick up a little bit. We had to go ahead and put plastic on the roof of the old RV. Got too much time and money invested in this thing to let it leak again. Of course, we had to sandbag everything. We do live in the flood zone, about a quarter mile away from the Savannah River. Normally when this happens, we get about 3 to 4 inches of water inside the shop here. We won't be making any motorcycle videos anytime soon, but there they are. We'll have to keep y'all updated. Hopefully the water doesn't get in this time.